This, my friend, is a Macintosh LC, Apple computer from 1990, and with the LC standing for low cost. The LC was one of the first truly affordable color Macintoshes. Many of the early Macintoshes had monochrome, like black and white displays, and up until 1987 when they released the Macintosh 2, which was a very expensive Macintosh system with a color display, whereas many of the lower cost Macintosh systems still had old school small black and white displays. That wasn't until the LC came along, which was meant to be a low cost, affordable color Macintosh, which could be for like home users and schools. So anyway, today I want to show you how to disassemble this computer. I know, again, this is not what I said. My next video is going to be, I will get to repairing the Classic eventually, but I want to disassemble this and replace the capacitors in this one too, and I want to put the capacitors just all in one order for shipping cost reasons. But anyway, so I'm going to disassemble this one too. See what capacitors I need. So anyway, it opens up super easy. You see these little tabs on the back, like these little tabs right here, and you gotta lift up on them. It should pop up this little stubborn. And the top comes right off. Probably one of the easiest Apple computers to get into. Here's a look at the inside. So first thing we have to do in disassembly is remove the cables. So I'll pull the floppy drive one up there. Remove the power cable for the hard drive. And remove this big ribbon cable that connects the hard drive to the motherboard. Now that's disconnected. We need to lift up on this little plastic piece over here that holds the speaker down. And that pulls up the speaker and fan here. Next thing we need to do is we need to unclip the floppy drive and pull those little tabs out on the side here. One really cool thing about the LC is there are basically no screws required to take it apart. It can be a little tricky to get all the tabs off and continue to pull without other tabs going in, but we got it off there. Now we need to pull the hard drive out. It's more or less the same process as the floppy drive. So you pull the little tabs out, lift up so the tab doesn't snap back. And it can be a little bit tricky just to get it up and not have the other tabs snap back. There we go. As you can see, this LC has an Apple 40 megabyte drive from 1990. Well, it's actually made by Quantum, but there's the Apple logo, and it's a 40 meg drive. So we're just going to remove the power supply next, using the same tab system as the drives. I'm only held in by 2 tabs. A bit of a pain to get out. With a little persuasion, it comes out, and then we're going to unplug it from the motherboard here. There we go, the power supply comes right out. So next you need to remove, if you have a card in this slot, the PDS slot. This is actually like a slot for expansion cards. In this case, there's a networking card in there. And we need, but your LC may have a different card in there, or more likely no card at all. So this is a pretty consolidated computer. Need to lift up on that. There we go, our card came out. Now to get the motherboard out, you gotta pull these 2 little tabs here back from the little thing that catches them. As you can see, that holds the motherboard in, so we gotta pull them back. Eventually, it'll go. It just slides back a little bit, and then you'll lift right out. And there's our motherboard. So we got stuff like our RAM here, got our CPU, got our ROMs, we got our battery, which thankfully hasn't leaked. And yeah. So now I can add all the capacitors I'm going to need to replace when I do a repair on this system. So yeah, I know this was a short little video, and I could have mixed this with the LC repair video, but I thought I may as well do this in a little separate video about how to disassemble an LC. So yeah, I hope you found this maybe a little useful. And yeah, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Oh man, these capacitors leaked. Ugh. I have to clean the board off. It's such a mess. Ugh. I really despise you, capacitors. I really do. You just... Ugh. Little capsules of death. Just put a diaper on these things.